Well, tonight we're here at Glasgow. See if we can get some pictures. Some nighttime stuff. Cars are on at the hydro, so it should be busy around about here right now. Anyway, let's see. So, Riverside, River Clyde, Riverside. Nighttime, getting some night shots. Everything's green for the cars, obviously. With some light, which is quite nice. I think a nice big panorama here. Nighttime one. See how it goes. I get something. Let me get set up. So our first shot's just a straight shot, just to see how settings are. In 30 seconds, F10 1/25 of a second. Sorry, ISO is 125. F10, 30 seconds. Just getting there. Have a quick look at that. I'll let you know what happens. We need it longer or less. It looks like less. So I'm going to take that again. So nice wee bit better, more detail on the hydro. And then 15 seconds, F11 and then 125 ISO. It's just a straight shot, just to get warmed up. Once we get warmed up, we should get some good shots. I've got the 100mm with me, f2.8, so let's see if I can get a nice panel for here. Should be able to swap lenses. I'll just take a couple of pictures first, see how it goes. There's the image. There. So it's looking sharp. You'll be able to see it. It's quite dark here, but we'll get there. So for this shot, I'm going to try and create a panel. I'm at 40mm, and I'll go first shot's at the armadillo. Second shot will be a wee bit of the hydro and the crane. Third, fourth, fifth, and possibly sixth. The only difference is I'm at 30 seconds, F8, 1/25 a second, and as you can see on camera, it's portrait. So I'm going to try and add it all together, and I'm still needing to straighten the level, make sure it's level. I'll let you see how I get on. So I think that's my panel done. This will be the last picture you'll see. I'll tell you how many it is. It's like 8 or something maybe. Once it's finished, it should light up in a minute. Here we go. It's really nice. Nice and sharp. So we're all the way along. All the way until we get to the bridge, and a wee bit of the bridge is in. So I'm at 40mm all the way in, so we're zoomed in a wee bit. I'm just going to move down here a wee bit and get a shot here with the hotel or casino, hotel, Hilton, and the bridge, because I quite like that shot. So that's that. I'm going to move on to the next shot. So here's the shot I'm talking about, right there. Wee bit of cloud coming in, which is quite nice. It breaks the sky up, and the moon's there. It's no full moon, it's waxing gibbon. It's just disappearing, it's just going to start getting weird now, so take that shot, see how it goes. So just moved back down here towards the exit, but I'm not going to exit right now, so just get a shot about there in itself, as you see. We'll see how that turns out. I've moved up a bit again, just got to get a shot here with the crane and a bit of sky, because there's a wee bit of cloud above the crane, which looks okay. Let's see if it turns it. couple of seconds. Here we go. We're just about there. You can sort of see the crane. You can also see the moon still shining bright. Anyway, we'll move on. Right, so I took a couple of exposures here. One was to lighten the sky a bit, which I think worked. See, here we go. Yeah. Just brighten the sky. And then another exposure to take the highlights back down, because they were quite bright there. I think I'll do another exposure just to see again. Get rid of the highlights. Portrait shot this time of the bridge. Sorry, bridge, I'm saying bridge. Awfully funny looking bridge. The crane. There's a crane there somewhere. And the moon's just about touching the end of it. Portrait shot looks quite nice actually. You can't see it here, but I'll show you it. Maybe a wee bit overblown the highlights in the water. We'll take a faster shutter speed. Took 2 shots of this scene here, so what we got? Let me see. Yeah. Try to click in dark. Obviously there's no point in me even on the pictures, because in the film even, because I'm trying to get some of the highlights. So I'm taking 2 shots. One's a 30th of a second, one's an 1/8, I'm sure. So we'll hopefully blend them together. Plus I've added more of the water into the boat as well. So I've done a wee panel to try and get some more of that in, plus that, because the moon's just directly at the crane at the edge. It's a nice night, but it's a freezing cold night. Anyway, I'll keep moving up and move all the way around towards the hydro and then back up to the car and take pictures all the way around and see what we get. So this is just a shot of the hydro itself. 30 seconds again. That's it there. Also slightly blown out, so I'll do a faster shutter speed again. I'm quite liking the way the crane's turning out now, so I might take a picture of that, because the moon's directly behind it. And it's lighting it up a wee bit. There's plenty of movement and nice clouds in the sky anyway. So we'll see what's happening here. Take another shot quick and move on. So I'll try another one in the hydro. I'm at F14. That should do it. I should be able to fix that one. So I'm going to take a shot of this crane and see how it turns out. So I could be here all night, but I'm working more, so anyway, I'm doing a free stitch for the bridge to the crane, just about there. You'll see the last image in a minute. It's just portrait mode. I'm shooting. It's a 30th of a second. Here it comes. There we go. That's the last of the 3. So that turns out when I get it together to work. This shot is just a picture of the armadillo in the hydro. It looks dull in this camera, but it's not really dull, so it's actually quite nice. Nice wee bridge. The Bells Bridge. There's a shot. Looks okay. This shot's next to the Bells Bridge, using it as a lead in to the Armadillo and the Hydro. We'll see how that turns out. So that's the video. Set this up. The leading lines and the moon's just at the top of the centre of the bridge. Looks okay. We'll see if it turns out. Hopefully. So I went in the centre of that bridge there and took a shot up the way, including the hotel, plaza and the BBC building, and we'll see how that turns out. Now I've come off the bridge, I'm just taking a quick picture of the science centre, and there it's there. It's nice and red. Where do we set it? Put the light on. 25 seconds, F9, 125 ISO. So let's go 30 seconds again. I think I took one at 30 seconds, but I'll go up to F11. F11 this time. Quick focus. Click. And we're off. I've just moved up for the bridge down there, don't know if you can see, and there's a shot there I just took, which looks okay, and that was set at 30 seconds, F9, ISO 125, as low as possible. So hopefully that turns it. I've got to start heading up now. That's the BBC, nobody likes the BBC. And then we've got this Bells Bridge again. Bells Bridge and BBC looks okay. The trouble with these buildings is nobody likes them. Anyway, I'll go on with this. So I'll take a picture of this. There's nice reflections. We'll see how it turns out. 30 seconds. Exposure. ISO still 125. I've not changed it. There's no point in changing it. It's looking okay. F11, 30 seconds. There's the image. Yeah. So for this shot, can't see anything down there. I'm hanging on the other side basically. Try to get this shot here. The reflection of the bridge because the water's climbing down a wee bit. As I said already. Maybe you can get a wee bit of panel, but I don't know. We'll see. See if it works out. So there you go. Camera's hanging over the side. Take some pictures. It's too nice to go home, but I need to go home. I need to stop my carry on. I've been here for a couple of hours now, so that's another shot done. So this is definitely the last shot of the night. It's quite dark, but as I said before, the water's pretty good. So this is a portrait shot. ISO still 125, 30 seconds was the shot. So if it turns out, I'll let you see it, and that's me for the night. Head back to the car, which is just up that street there. Came for a cup of tea in my bed. Over and out. Oh, and by the way, if you like what you see, use a wee quick like and a wee subscribe possibly for more of the same.